Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Paint Trade in Germiston.
The store is based in Lambton, Germiston, just next to the N17 highway. We've been here for now 8 years, and so far so good, and we built a good relationship in the area. What makes me proud about the store is definitely our one-on-one service with our clients. We always make sure that's sort of family-based, and when they come in, they can be sure to get the right advice and get the best product for their application. So what makes it the best paint store in Germiston is obviously we do try and keep as much stock as we can on hand, not to disappoint clients when they come in. So why it's the best paint store in Germiston by Plascon is we keep a large variety. We keep a lot of the industrial coatings, be it for metal, for wood. We also on the domestic side keep the roof paints, wall paints. So the Plascon brand is obviously well known. I mean, we've been in the game for over 20 years. I've known Plascon all the years. We've walked a long road with them. Their qualities are brilliant, and the customer knows that. So whenever they're buying it, they know that they're going to get the top quality. My Plascon product of choice would be their new water-based enamel. It gives you a nice glossy finish, and also hard-wearing and durable once it's completely cured. My DIY painting tip would be definitely drying time on paints. I think a lot of people make a big mistake, is especially when they're trying out samples or trying out a color that they've just purchased. I think people need to just bear in mind that most paints need a minimum of 4 to 6 hours drying time before you see the true color. So my DIY motto is do it once, do it right. Otherwise, second time around, it's going to cost you a hell of a lot more.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.